Hi, I'm Jack Richardson from the Royal Aeronautical Society's Aerospace magazine at the Paris Air Show. It's not only military aircraft on display here, but are also humanitarian solutions, including this Windracers drone, which has been used for missions as diverse as surveying in Antarctica and is soon going to be used for humanitarian missions in Malawi, which Nina is going to tell us about.
Yes, so this is the Ultra Mark II, which is the next generation of our aircraft, and I'll show you the cargo bay inside. This is the cargo bay. It's got a 700-litre capacity and a payload of 150 kilograms. There's different flooring we can put in. This is an example of our drop door floors, which means that when you fly over a certain waypoint, the floors can open like that, and then the cargo can drop with a parachute attached. This is really useful in environments in which we don't want to land. You can also just fit it with a regular cargo bay, and all of these floors are interchangeable.